Hi friends, now we will discuss about machine learning examples. First, we will take a image classification example. So you are seeing an image here. Now our task is to classify this picture. So I press this classify button. So the code is scanning the picture and it has classified the picture as Robin, American Robin, and the confidence level is 93.87%. We will discuss about this term confidence in future. Second example of artificial intelligence is artificial music intelligence. Here we are having one example. David Cope is a former professor of music at the University of Santa Cruz. For 30 years, David Cope has been developing EMI or EMI, experimental music intelligence. This is an intelligence which has algorithm to compose music following some famous composer. In a test performed by Professor Douglas, a pianist performed three musical pieces. These three. One is written by Bach, one is written by Steve Larson, one is written by EMI. The piece that was written by EMI, people thought it is the real genuine batch. So you can understand how much close to reality the AI generated music is. Project Baseline. Project Baseline is an initiative to make it easy for everyone to contribute to the map of human health and to participate in clinical research. So, AI is used in clinical research. Now, we will discuss about data scientist. Data scientist can come from the below domain: applied mathematics, computational statistics, computer science, machine learning, or deep learning. And these are the big data areas where data scientist has experience. Business intelligence, database in design, data warehouse design, data mining, SQL queries, SQL reporting. Artificial intelligence is a scientific discipline embracing several data science fields ranging from narrow AI to strong AI. We have already understood what is narrow AI and what is strong AI, including machine learning, deep learning, big data, and data mining. Another example is artificial health intelligence. The corona pandemic pushed the need for optimizing medical healthcare. Machine learning is a new technology that can provide better drug discovery. So, machine learning helps in drug discovery by making it faster so that the development time is shorter. We discussed few example of machine learning. Now we will go one step deeper. This discussion will be little bit technical. So the first topic is linear graphs. Linear graphs are very important when it comes to machine learning. Linear graphs. Machine learning often uses linear graphs to show relationships. So the linear graph is used to show relationship. Relationship between what? Relationship between these two variables. A line graph displays the values of a linear function. There are two variables y and x, and this is the relation y equal to ax plus b. You know it. This is an equation of a straight line. In this chapter, important keywords are linear, slope, intercept. Linear means straight, which follows a line, straight line. Slope is angle. So, the angle between the line that we are creating with the axis. Intercept, the start value. We'll understand that in detail. So, first is linear. Linear means straight. A linear graph is a straight line. The graph consists of two axes. X axis, which is horizontal axis, and y axis, which is vertical axis. Now we have the equation y equal to x. When it is plotted, this will be like as below. Here it is an example for the linear graph. This is a code snippet that develops a linear graph. Const x values and const y values. Now we have to populate these two set of values. So x values push x. So we iterate through a for loop and insert these values. Const data equal to x colon x values, y colon y values, mode lines. Define layout. So now we have to define the layout, and the layout is const layout equal to title y equal to x. This is the layout we'll follow. Now plotly is a class which has a function new plot, and it will require an argument of the name of the plot and the data and the layout. I will pass these three arguments. It will display the linear graph. So I have shown you the output of this code snippet. Next is slope. The slope is the angle of the graph. Slope is the angle of the graph. The slope is the a value in a linear graph. Y equal to ax. Here y and x are the variables and a is the value of the slope. Here I have a code snippet. We are populating the values of x and y, and we have set slope equal to 1.2. Like earlier, we are defining the data and layout. Here you can see this layout is name of the title slope, and we have entered this slope value, that is 1.2. So for this graph, plotly dot new plot, my we have three arguments: my plot, the name, the data that we have populated here, and layout that we have created here. Here I have shown the output of the code snippet, and the graph here, it has slope of 1.2. Next is intercept. The intercept is the start value of the graph. The intercept is the b value in a linear graph. This b is intercept. So if we take an example where slope is equal to 1.2 and intercept equal to 2, then we can draw a graph with the help of the code below. Slope is equal to 1.2 and intercept is 7. We populate the x values and y values. Say create the data. In the layout, we mention the slope and intercept. When we plot, we enter the name of the plot, data here, and the layout here. Here is the output of the program. This is having slope 1.2, and this is the intercept that we have 7. See, from here we have the 7 intercept. We'll stop here. See you in the next video with the next topic. If you have doubt, please comment below the video and I will come back to you. Thank you.